Tugela Falls is the second highest waterfalls in the world and the highest waterfall in Africa. It is located on the Royal Natal National Park in the Drakensberg Mountains in KwaZulu-Natal province of South Africa. It is an unusual waterfall because it consists of 5 separate falls. Most other waterfalls have only one fall. Tugela Falls is 3,110 feet high. The highest fall is 1,348 feet. Only Angel Falls, 3,212 feet, in Venezuela is higher. Elevation of her is 9,751 feet. She consists of 5 drops. Tugela Falls and Tugela River get their name from the Isi Zulu word Thukela. It means something that startles. History of Tugela Falls. People believed that Tugela Falls was the world's highest waterfall until 1937. In that year, the American adventurer James Angel discovered Angel Falls in Venezuela. Since then, Tugela Falls is considered the second highest waterfalls in the world. Tugela River. The water of the Tugela River drops over the edge of the famous amphitheater in the northern Drakensberg to form Tugela Falls. The source of the Tugela River is the Morne Auxiliary Resources Plateau, which extends several kilometers beyond the amphitheater escarpment from which the falls drop. Visiting of Tugela Falls. The falls are easily visible from the main road into the park, especially after a heavy rain. There is an undeveloped campsite and mountain hut immediately above the falls. There are 2 trails to Tugela Falls. The most spectacular trail is to the top of Morne Auxiliary Resources, which starts at the Sentinel Car Park. From here it is a relatively easy climb to the top of the amphitheater, however it does take about 4.5 to 8 hours round trip depending on fitness level. Access to the summit is via 2 chain ladders. This is the only day hiking trail which leads to the top of the Drakensberg escarpment. Another trail to the foot of the Tugela Falls starts at Royal Natal National Park. Special things about Tugela Falls. According to some measurements, it is the world's tallest waterfall. A revisited validation of waterfall measurements is not available, and there's still uncertainty whether Tugela or Venezuela's Angel Falls is the tallest. Both measurements were taken at considerable distance from the 2 waterfalls.